What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I'm here to do a screen protector install for the Google Pixel 3a XL. Now, there's not a lot of products out there for this phone as of yet. I think as time goes by, they will start filtering in. But right now, I needed something really quick to protect my screen. Since this is not a Gorilla Glass display, it's one of those Asage Japanese glass displays, I think, as what I read on the box. So I need to get something to protect this. So I kind of was shopping around. So like I said, I'm not really familiar with it, but I'm gonna give it a try and then give you maybe my opinion on it. Maybe I found a winner, maybe I found a piece of crap, but only time will tell. So let's get going with the installation. Does come with 3 screen protectors, 2 I think, and different installation kits. I think this is all adhesive. Go ahead and wipe this down really quick. So there's 2 of each of these items on the inside, 2 sets of stickers, and alcohol and dry wipe. After going over it for pieces of small lint, then you go ahead and do the alcohol wet wipe, and then come back over it with the dry one. Make sure your hands are clean, fingertips are clean. Don't use the microfiber cloth to dry it because the microfiber cloth contains a lot of extra lint on it. Try to use the one that's inside the package. All right, let's get that one out to dry right. All right, once that's done, if you want to give it another go over with the dust stickers, by all means do that. I think I'm ready for the install. Now this do have matching bezels with this tempered glass. There's no clear peel sticker in the back, which is something of a no-no. I wish there was something to make it easier to pull off the plastic to get to the adhesive. So what I'm going to do is use one of these guide stickers as a replacement for the lack of a tab for pulling off the adhesive on the back. As you can see, works. Now I would line up the speaker holes and camera hole instead of going from the bottom. Make sure that's the way you want it to be. It's actually pretty easy to line up, and it's supposed to be case friendly. I will aim more so with this camera hole because you want to center it in that circle cutout. Once everything is in there, you see it start spreading. It is an all adhesive back. They do not provide a squeegee for pushing out air pockets, but looks like it came out pretty good. It is case friendly. Got a little air pocket right here. Hopefully overnight it would adhere better. But usually tempered glass ones shouldn't really take that long. It's not like one of those plastic ones. But I pretty much got that camera hole pretty much centered in the middle of that cutout. And that's what I was using to aim for, to make sure that camera was centered and this was level. And then once I had that, it was easy to drop it down on top of the phone. It is, like I said, it doesn't come all the way up. Do I have any case in here? Got a case right here. Let me go ahead and try it real quick. No problems with that screen protector. So I'm gonna go ahead over the next week using this particular screen protector, let you know if this is a winner or it should be trashed. But so far, as long as it does its job, that's all that matters to me. There's no problem with touch sensitivity. So far I like it. So that pretty much does it for the Unique Me screen protector for the Google Pixel 3a XL. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.